Hello, boys and girls. So today we are going to be looking at reading 3 out of 4 words containing a prefix. So go ahead and grab a mom or dad, a brother or sister, if you'd like to have them join you in your lesson today. First, we're going to review and segment our phonemes. So look at the word shark. We're going to tap it and zap it. Ready? Sh, R, K, shark. 3 phonemes. Let's try the next one. Yarn. Ready? Y, R, N. Yarn has 3 phonemes. Your next one, wrap. Ready? A, P. Wrap. 3 phonemes. Safe. Let's tap it. S, A, F. Safe. 3 phonemes. And your last one, claw. Ready? K, O, A. Claw. 3 phonemes. Okay, we're going to review our silent letters. K-N, G-N, W-R. Let's go ahead and, okay, here we notice we have the words with K-N. Remember that K is silent when it's followed by an N. Let's read those words. Knack, knee, knife. Okay, here we have our words with silent G. So when there's an N after the G, that G is silent. All we hear is the N sound. Let's read them. Gnat, gnaw, gnome. Your last set of words has that W-R. Remember when W is followed by R, the W is silent. So we just hear the sound. Ready? Wren, wrap, wreck. Great job. Hey, this is a review of our words that have that aw sound, spelled with A-U, A-W, or A-L. Look at your first word. Ready? August. Okay, your next word, author. Again, author. The next word, ready? Autumn. Then we see the words with A-W that also makes the aw sound. Ready? Yawn, straw, awful. Okay, we have our words that have the A-L. Ready? Let's read it. Walk, talk, salt. And in salt, notice we actually can hear the O sound in that word. Okay, this is our fluency phrases. It also has words with A-U, A-W, and A-L, so you'll hear more of that aw sound. Ready? It's August already. Again, it's August already. Next, water the lawn. Again, water the lawn. Drink from a straw. Again, drink from a straw. Next one, walking and talking. Again, walking and talking. Last one, Paul said so. Again, Paul said so. Here's your fluency passage. Let's move this down. Okay, this is a review of your silent letters, words with K-N, G-N, and W-R. Okay, we're going to read it together, and then you're welcome to stop the video if you would like to practice rereading the passage to work on your fluency. Ready? I hurt my wrist in PE yesterday. We had to wrap it up tight. I also fell on my knee. I wish I would have known not to run so fast. You're welcome to stop the video and reread that passage. We're working on our fluency. Okay, for this week, we're working on prefixes. A prefix is a group of letters added before a word or base to alter its meaning and form a new word. The prefix re means returning to a previous condition or doing it again. For example, repaint means to paint it again. The prefix un means not or to remove. If we say unfair, it means it is not fair. Okay, my turn. Right away I see I have this prefix here, re. This word I see one vowel followed by consonants. It should say I. Rewind. It didn't sound quite right. Let me do Flippy the Dolphin and change that short vowel to a long vowel I. Rewind. So to go back to the beginning, rewind. Your turn. Look at your prefix, un. Let's read it, unreal. So that means not real. Look at your next one. Here's your prefix, re. You should also see you have a vowel team, AI, that says A. Let's read this word, repaint. So to paint again. Next one, here's your prefix, un. And then this has a vowel, consonant, vowel. So this should be a long E, even. Read it, uneven, means not even. Your last one, here's your prefix, re. And then you have a magic E telling A to say A. Remember that symbol? Read the word rename. So to rename something means to name it again. Now you have your practice. Let's see if you can get at least 3 out of 4 correct. Look at that first word and read it. Good. You should have said unfair. Nice job. Try the next one. Read it. Good. Reread. So to read again. That's 2. Look at it and read it. Good. Untold means not told. That's 3. Last one. Read it. Good. Retie means to tie again. Nice job. If you got all 4 correct, you can say, I can read 4 out of 4 words containing prefixes. Great job today, boys and girls. You're always welcome to watch the video again. Practice your fluency. See you later.